Congress Working Committee discussed the schedule of the Congress President's election for appointing a fact-finding committee to go into the various aspects of the failure of the Congress party in the state elections. Today we had a meeting of Congress Working Committee to discuss issue relating to the alarming situation of COVID-19 pandemic. The results of the election happened states, and also internal election of the Congress President, which was decided by last January Working Committee meeting. Along with the Congress Working Committee members, Chief Ministers of Congress ruled states and permanent invitees to the Working Committee are also participated. In this meeting, General Secretaries and in charges of the election happened states have briefed the Working Committee about the results of the state elections in a detailed manner. Initially itself, Congress President already enlightened the Working Committee by her words for appointing a fact-finding committee to go into the various aspects of the failure of the Congress party in the state elections. That committee will be constituted very soon. That committee will go into the details, and thereafter Congress Working Committee will further go into the reasons of this failure. Working Committee has passed 2 resolutions. One is relating to the, of course, COVID-19 pandemic, and other is relating to the city's election. All our Working Committee members were participated in the deliberations, and they are all unanimously agreed for these resolutions. First of all, I will read out the CWC resolution on COVID-19 pandemic situation, and then about the Congress President election. The Congress Working Committee met today amidst an unprecedented public health crisis. The second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic is nothing short of a grave calamity and a direct consequence of the Modi government indifference, insensitivity and incompetence. It is the direct result of a central government willful disregard of scientific advice, its premature declaration of victory over the pandemic. That turned out to be just the first wave, and its unwillingness and inability to plan in advance in spite of warnings sounded not only by public health experts but also by the standing committee of the parliament concerned. The Congress Working Committee is deeply concerned about the Modi government's vaccination strategy. Vaccine supplies are grossly insufficient, yet the government denies the hard facts. The pricing policy is opaque and discriminatory and contrary to economic and all other logic. The government has passed on the financial responsibility for vaccinating the 18 to 44-year population to the state governments, which are already facing severe financial stress. Worse, the mandatory online registration without a walk-in option will exclude, and many have already excluded, millions of our citizens. particularly those in rural areas and those belonging to the weaker section of the society. Dr. Manmohan Singh wrote to the Prime Minister after the last meeting of the CWC on April 17, 2021, giving 5 specific suggestions to increase vaccine supplies and coverage. However, instead of taking his suggestions in the constructive spirit in which they were offered, the Prime Minister instructed Union Health Minister to reply Dr. Manmohan Singh in a most undignified manner. Since the last meeting of the Congress Working Committee, it is widely noticed that the infection has traveled massively into rural areas with zero access to RT-PCR testing, medicines, oxygen, or hospitalization, resulting into a large number of painful deaths. Even across the country, the inhuman crisis of non-availability of oxygen, hospital beds, remdesivir medicine, tocilizumab injections, and vaccines reflects the criminal failure of the central government. This was happened despite India producing sufficient quantity of oxygen and remdesivir injections are also the vaccines. The CWC noted the concern that the data on COVID deaths is horribly wrong and afflicted by massive non-reporting of deaths. The solution lies in facing the challenges and stopping the casualties from COVID-19 and not on concealing the truth by buying the data on deaths and infections. The Congress Working Committee expressed its revulsion at the shocking expenditure priorities of Modi government. At a time when the nation's resources should be devoted to ensuring expansion of vaccination coverage and supply of essential medicine and oxygen, the Modi government is indulging in criminal waste of money by continuing with the personal vanity project of the prime ministers in the national capital. This is the height of colossus and insensitivity are also an insult to the people of the country. The Congress Working Committee appreciates the assistance that has been offered and given by the international community at this time of national crisis. However, it needs to be said that there is a total non-transparency in the distribution and utilization of these supplies. Our desperate need for assistance is also a sad reflection of the governance and policy failure of the Modi government. The Congress Working Committee is of the firm belief that this is a time for showing an unwavering sense of national unity, purpose, and resolve. In order that it may become a reality, the Prime Minister must atone for his mistakes and commit to serving the people instead of carrying on with the personal agenda. Oblivious to the suffering all around, the Congress Party commits to fighting the COVID-19 pandemic with its entire might and will support every public-friendly initiative of the government in fighting the pandemic. This was the first resolution we have been passed in the CWC. Second, Congress Working Committee discussed the schedule of the Congress President's election forwarded by Election Authority, Central Election Authority. Initially, you are aware that Congress President is in his initial remarks itself emphasized the need of the Congress President election in June itself, which was committed in the last January Working Committee meeting. But generally, the entire members of the Congress Working Committee stood very strongly and they have given their opinion that this is not the time for conducting internal party election. Entire energy of the Congress Party should be utilized for the relief activities of the COVID-19 pandemic and to save maximum human life which we can. That is why, therefore, Congress Working Committee has unanimously adopted a resolution. Congress President seek each and every person in the Working Committee on this matter, their view on this matter, and finally we adopted a resolution in this regard. I will read out that resolution also. The CWC considered the election schedule for electing the AICC President as proposed by Central Election Authority of the party. In view of the national-wide emergent condition prevailing on account of unprecedented corona pandemic, the CWC was unanimous that all of our energy should be channelized towards saving every life and helping every COVID-affected person. CWC therefore unanimously resolved to defer the elections temporarily in the midst of these challenging times.